Hi y'all, we're back for another video. Today, I'd like to discuss something distinct from our typical subjects. I don't want to talk about the usual evaporative stories, plate heat exchanges, or rather, I will definitely talk about it, but I will talk about it in a different way. We are really pushing ourselves in search of solutions that allow energy saving. On our industrial machines is a topic that I would say is better. It is dear to all of us at Tempco. It is true that our initial recommendation when we are requested to evaluate a temperature control system for an industrial process plant is to prioritize determining the potential energy savings. In other words, we emphasize identifying areas where energy can be conserved in the management of temperature within the industrial process. To provide some examples, what we are almost always implementing are inverters on fan motors in order to save energy when a lower ventilation power is required. For instance, on dry coolers, cooling readers, and free coolers, just to name a few. Concerns about heating resistors when we make temperature control units with electric heating section in order to modulate the power required by the process by providing the actual power in kilowatts needed at that precise moment. Invert on circulation pumps. We are conducting a splendid intervention at a metallurgical company in the northern province of Milan, where we will install an energy-saving and efficient system on the pumps of a cooling plant. But I would say that all this has its own interest. If we could develop it, and I would really like it, even in decidedly more civil areas, therefore within everyone's reach. In these days, I have had contacts with companies, one company in particular, that is pushing research on energy saving, specifically in applications that are definitely not our usual applications. They are not industrial applications, but applications related more to the civil world, therefore related to the world of civil conditioning, to heat pumps, to geothermal heat pumps. And I must say that they have, how can I say, stimulated me. These are applications that we have already done using our T-coil immersion heat exchangers. We have done several applications, including an interesting one 2 states ago at the marina of a tourist port in Liguria, where we recovered heat and energy from the seawater of the port to power the heat pumps, specifically the condensation water of the heat pump. We have developed an app similar to Ispra on heat pumps utilizing water from a turbine channel for our project. We made a similar application for heat pumps in Lake Como, also here with immersed heat exchangers that exploit, let's say, the energy of the lake water to feed the condensation water of the heat pumps. Well, this company has requested that we conduct tests and trials consistently utilizing our T-coil heat exchangers in order to perform energy recoveries by harnessing the waste heat emanating from hot water, drains, and various services. It is an interesting application. It is an application that deserves to be studied. Certainly, it is not simple. It is not simple because in the end, you always come up against costs that are rather high with returns on investment that are also rather long. This is for sure. However, I must tell the truth. Perhaps it is worth considering investing a little more with a non-short-term return on investment, so with a payback period that is not exactly what is expected from industrial investment plans. We are used to reasoning with very short paybacks. However, I repeat, in my opinion, it is worth trying, studying, seeing what happens, seeing if these systems actually work, doing tests. We are available. We have offered our availability to do some tests. Personally, I started doing tests, trials, verifications, and I will really enjoy collaborating with this company. I hope we can meet soon. Under the current conditions, it is really complicated, but I hope that we can meet in order to test these systems and thereby gain a better understanding of what our planet is like. In our limited time, if you visit our website or if you have had the chance to see our blog, you will have observed that we have accomplished something. Our headquarters, since it was designed, has been equipped with a photovoltaic system, so we are self-sufficient in terms of energy. The energy we buy it from renewable sources. Also, we buy it in the chain of one of our customers to whom we provide and have provided heat exchangers, and he provides us with energy produced from renewable sources. From the point of view of paper usage, we all have digital archives. We try to print as little as possible on recycled paper, printing 4 pages on each sheet, thus reducing paper consumption by 75%. Every 10 years, we dispose of paper archives. 10 to 11 years now, I don't remember exactly, but it doesn't matter much. We dispose of paper archives and donate the paper we destroy to an agriculture, to an organic farm that uses it for animals that are allergic to hay. Imagine that. In summary, from our perspective, we strive to do our utmost to achieve what is known as a genuinely minimized carbon footprint. I would like to know what you think, and I would appreciate your comments. Maybe we could also open, I don't know, a discussion table, a webinar, as they are fashionable now, a Skype call, a virtual meeting among everyone to exchange ideas, to exchange experiences. And why not? In order to keep everyone informed about the new trends and the ones I would like to become the new trends related to energy saving for the upcoming years. It is my sincere wish to everyone to stay safe and good luck in the times ahead.